Hey, before you ever walk into a pig pen again, you might want to watch this video first. Because pigs, they're not just the cute, mud-rolling oink machines you think they are. Under the right circumstances, they will eat you. All of you. And science has a very interesting explanation for why. You are watching Zoodoodle, and today we're diving snout first into one of nature's most disturbing and honestly fascinating facts. Why do pigs eat humans? Let's get this out of the way immediately. Yes, this actually happens. This isn't a horror movie plot. There are real, documented cases throughout history of pigs consuming human remains, and in some cases, living people who were incapacitated. One of the most infamous incidents happened in 2012 in Oregon, USA, when a farmer named Terry Vance Garner went missing. Investigators found his dentures and some body parts scattered in the pig enclosure. His hogs, all 700 pounds of combined pig power, had eaten most of him. He was 69 years old. The pigs were described as very large. That's it. That's the story. But why? Is it aggression? Hunger? Pure evil? Let's get into the science of the swine. Here's the key thing you need to understand about pigs. They are omnivores. And not polite omnivores like us, who debate whether to get a salad. Pigs are aggressive omnivores. In the wild, they'll eat roots, berries, insects, frogs, small mammals, eggs, carrion, basically anything with calories. Their digestive system is remarkably similar to ours, which ironically is part of why they'll eat us. Pigs can process proteins, fats, and carbohydrates from virtually any biological source. Their teeth are a giveaway too. They have tusks for digging and tearing, flat molars for grinding plant matter, and sharp incisors for grabbing and ripping. That's a full toolkit. In short, pigs aren't designed to eat humans specifically, but humans happen to fall into the very broad category of things a pig can and will eat. Now, pigs don't just randomly start snacking on farmers. The number one trigger is hunger. Pigs are highly food-motivated animals. When they're underfed, stressed, or kept in overcrowded conditions, their survival instincts go into overdrive. Studies on pig behavior show that a hungry pig will investigate and mouth almost anything in its enclosure, including humans who fall or pass out inside. And once they taste blood, it escalates fast. Pigs don't have the same inhibitions we might expect. There's no moral calculation happening. It's just food source detected. This is why proper feeding schedules on farms aren't just about animal welfare. They're also about farmer safety. A well-fed pig is a much less dangerous pig. Here's where it gets genuinely wild. Pigs are one of the most efficient consumers of biological material in the animal kingdom. Their stomach acid is strong. Their jaws are powerful. A large pig can exert around 130 pounds per square inch of bite force. And they'll eat bone, cartilage, and soft tissue with equal enthusiasm. This is actually why, throughout history, pigs were used in some cultures as a method of disposing of things. In ancient times, and allegedly even in some organized crime circles, pigs were considered one of the most thorough ways to make evidence disappear. They'll eat hair, teeth, sometimes, clothing, and nearly everything else. Scientists studying taphonomy, that's the study of how bodies decompose, have actually used pig carcasses as human body analogs in research, partly because pigs are so similar to us biologically. Creepy full circle moment. So should you be scared of your local farm pig? Mostly, no. Domesticated pigs raised with regular feeding, socialization, and space are not out to get you. But there are real risk factors to watch for. Feral hogs are a different story entirely. In the US alone, there are an estimated 6 to 9 million feral pigs, and they are not friendly. They've been known to charge, bite, and injure people, especially when protecting piglets. In 2019, a woman in Texas was killed by a group of feral hogs outside her employer's home. These animals can weigh over 400 pounds, move at 30 miles per hour, and have no fear of humans. Even domesticated pigs can become aggressive when in pain, during feeding time, or if they're a larger breed like a Duroc or Hampshire that hasn't been well handled. Never corner a pig, never hand feed a large pig carelessly, and never, I cannot stress this enough, fall unconscious in a pig enclosure. One more layer to this that blows people's minds. Pigs are among the most intelligent animals on Earth. They consistently outperform dogs on cognitive tests, can recognize themselves in mirrors, solve multi-step puzzles, and have excellent long-term memory. What does this have to do with eating humans? Well, intelligence means adaptability. A pig that has learned that a particular enclosure contains food, including a human who once dropped something, will remember and act on that information. Their intelligence makes them more likely to investigate novel stimuli, and once they associate a human with a food reward, that association is hard to undo. It also means stressed, bored, or underfed pigs can develop what animal behaviorists call redirected feeding behavior. Essentially, they start applying their foraging intelligence to everything around them. So, to answer the question, pigs eat humans because they are hungry, opportunistic, biologically equipped omnivores with strong jaws, powerful digestion, and absolutely zero squeamishness about what counts as a meal. It's not malice, it's just nature. Raw, snorting, 300-pound nature. Pigs are incredible, intelligent, fascinating animals. They just also happen to be capable of eating you if given the opportunity. Respect the pig. If you found this video equal parts horrifying and educational, that's exactly what I was going for, drop a comment with the most unsettling animal fact you know. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, and stay out of the pig pen.